Let's improve your agility and balance with some of these guys. Start by doing quick feet, stepping over the balance hurdles as quickly as possible, leading with one foot to start and then leading with the other foot going back. Go as fast as you comfortably can going forward for this first variation. The next variation is going side to side with your knees slightly bent. You are going to do the exact same thing, going as fast as you can towards one direction and as fast as you can towards the other direction. Again, going at a comfortable speed where you feel safe and under control. Next, what we're going to do is a slalom around this, where we are going to actively try to walk as fast as possible all the way around these objects, because when you do this, you are actively working your ability to move around space in a quick manner, which is exactly what you do when you move throughout your normal day during quick tasks, of course training yourself to not fall during those tasks and beyond. Next, what we're going to do is walk over these hurdles again, but the difference is we are going to walk in a heel to toe fashion as quickly as possible. So you'll notice when you do this that this will be incredibly more challenging on your balance, so only do this if you're an advanced balance exerciser. As I said, just like the last one, we're keeping our feet in that heel to toe position, so there's a little bit more balance work on this, but I am still trying to actively move my feet as quickly as possible. Another great variation is standing on one foot and then tapping your heel on both sides of the hurdle as fast as you can on both directions. Last but not least is going to add a little bit of a bend to this to make it a little bit more challenging on your balance and really mimic what you would need to do in daily life. For this one, just go over the hurdles however you'd like, but we're going to tap the ground, bending all the way down, stopping ourselves with deceleration, and then going all the way back over, tapping the other side, and then we're going to finish it by doing one time through, again moving as quickly as we can through all of these variations. To make this easier, spread out those hurdles a little bit. I'm going to link them down below in the description so you can grab some.